Hi friends, welcome back. As I said in my previous video, today I am excited about unfolding the greatness guide. This book offers us how you can build high performance culture in your organization and how you can create a deeper relationship and how you can lead without any titles. Greatness in business as well as in life comes from being an inspirational person. Are you the inspirational person? Don't worry. Let's see what Robin Sharma wrote about achieving greatness. An extraordinary life is not something only available for the chosen few people. You and I are destined for greatness, but we need to do our part to make it all happen. Choice by choice, step by step, small gains eventually yield big results. You can't get to the top of the Everest by jumping up the mountain. You get to the top of the mountain by taking incremental steps. Small steps each day lead to greatness over time. Failure is an essential ingredient of high achievement. No one wants to fail, so most of us don't even try. Inside every problem or failure lies a precious opportunity to improve things. Every challenge is nothing more than a chance to make things better. If you avoid challenges and failure, you are avoiding growth and progress. You are declining the greatness. So fail faster, succeed sooner. Remember, a mistake is only a mistake if you make it twice. On the other hand, success breeds complacency, inefficiency, and most of all, arrogance. When people and businesses get really successful, they often fall in love with themselves. They stop innovating, they stop working hard, they stop taking risks, and begin to rest on their laurels. So the more successful you and your organization become, be humble and devoted to your customers and to yourself. You need to practice to achieve greatness. Learn from top athletes. They exercise 2 to 3 hours a day very intensely. They are paying their price for success. Do you want to be a genius? Here is the formula. Focus plus daily improvements plus time is equals genius. Focus on any area or skill with a relentless devotion, with daily improvement and a passion for excellence. After 3 or 5 years, you will be operating at a level of competence and genius. Sachin Tendulkar was a cricket genius. Was it his natural gift? Absolutely not. He took what nature gave him and ran the formula. He didn't try to be good at 5 different sports. He didn't scatter his focus. He became brilliant at cricket because he devoted himself to it. I'll tell you a story. A woman met Pablo Picasso in the market and asked him to draw a picture of her. Picasso happily drew out a piece of art and told her it would be $1 million. Lady got shocked and said, "It took you only 30 seconds. Why it is so expensive?" Picasso laughed and said, "It took 30 years to create this masterpiece in 30 seconds." So what you do today actually creates your future. The words you speak, the thoughts you think, the food you eat, and the actions you take define your destiny. Know what you can excel at, discover your talents, and then work like crazy to polish them. So start today. And in 3 to 5 years, people will be writing about you, calling you a genius. All of us think greatness comes from experience. What is the point of getting old to become experienced? I want the experience of an old man while I am still young. Do not wait until the end of your life to become experienced. Collapse the timeline. Get clear on what you need to experience to have a fulfilling life and then start doing it. Meet cool people, visit neat places, read deep books. Do you have a business model for your life? Do you have a strategic plan for your dreams? Why do we only use these terms only in our companies? So what is your strategy? To earn more, you must learn more. The compensation you receive from your employer will be determined by the value you add. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Please don't tell you are too busy to spend at least 60 minutes a day learning. Some of the busiest people read or listen to online training for an hour a day. Books are our constant companions. Too many people never pick up books after they have finished school. This means they have closed their eyes and minds to new insights and powerful thoughts. Knowing how to read and not reading is almost the same as not knowing how to read. Lot of people are too busy in being busy. Make time to read something good each day. Fill your mind with big ideas and dazzling thoughts. Remember, if you want to lead, you really need to read. RobinSharma.com offers free podcasts, blogs, books, and other knowledge tools you can access if you need. Investing in learning and getting your skill to world class is the smartest investment you will ever make. Be different. People will call you crazy. Let them laugh. All innovators and great leaders are initially laughed at. People laughed at Columbus when he said Earth was round. People laughed at Wright brothers who promised human being could fly. Stay true to your vision. Leadership is not being liked, it is being right and doing right. Apply this principle in your organization. If you are a leader or a manager or a business owner, let underperformers know when they are underperforming. When you lead from position of truth, justice, fairness and excellence, you will have critics. So don't worry. There is a saying, successful people build monuments from the stones that their critics throw at them. Personal and organizational greatness is not about revolution, but evolution. Those small but consistent wins are very significant. Some of the must-do activities are as follows. Listen twice as much as you speak. Listening intently to someone is one of the best way to honor a person and forge a deep human connection. The sad fact is that while a person is talking, most of us are rehearsing our replies. Second, learn to say no. Say no to a friend who wants to meet over a coffee to gossip. Say no to a co-worker who spreads negativity and cynicism. Say no to a relative who laughs at your dream. Try not to teach your fears to your kids. Always inspire them with positive words like never give up. Whatever you do, do it well. Remember how much your dad or mom loves you. Tell these words daily. They often say, we know all these stuff. We know we should never give up and how much you love. But do not stop. One day when you grow old and you will listen, they say I am living a great life. Thank you for being father or mother you were. And thank you for those statements. Fifth, wake up early. There is a quote, there will be plenty of time to sleep when you are dead. So wake up early and strategize your dreams. Last, get physical exercise. We all go to the temple and some people go every day. There is a quote, my church or temple is my gym. Each day that's where I go and get blessed. What is the point of getting to great place in your career if you get sick always? Why be best business person in the hospital ward? Why be the rich person in the graveyard? Leadership begins within. Organization leadership begins with personal leadership. You can't be great at work until you feel great. You can't make someone feel good about themselves until you feel good about yourself. So that's all about it. Remember, it's never too late to become the person you have always dreamed of being. So start it. Start today. This week I would recommend Autobiography of Yogi. You will find answers to many strange questions from this book. This book is also available in all the regional languages. Please have this book in your home. Every time you read this book, I am sure you will find something new from this book. So that's all from today. See you in my next video. Happy reading. Bye.